Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Someone just sent me this super special box. I have no idea what's inside, but let's unbox it together and find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe below and turn on post notifications to keep updated. Oh my gosh, there's nothing in here. The box is completely empty. I really don't know what this thing is, but I just brought it to class with me anyways. What the heck? This thing just gave me a basketball?
Settled in today. Let's make sure. Basketball? Let me see that. If I make this, we're done with class today. Have a good day. All right, just kidding, just kidding. All right, hey, open up your laptop.
This thing's pretty cool. I think I'll keep it.
So again, we're in chapter 19, American courts. As we all know, this is a pretty exciting topic.
This Zoom class is a little boring, but I definitely think we can spice things up.
Capital and non-capital sentencing. Come on, guys, look at this. This is the greatest. I mean, the right to counsel?
Oh my gosh, my professor just emailed me. Our class is on Zoom today instead of in person. I've totally got this. Yeah, this isn't too bad. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to enter in the very special giveaway. Oh wait, I think I can give this one away right now. Are you lost?
Yeah, I am.
Take this, it'll totally help you out. Thank you. So these box people decided to sponsor me. One box, do you want me to bring one over? I saved you the best one. Or more than a few? They're going really fast. Okay, sounds good.